welcome to Georgie's Experiment. Today, Gordon, we're going to make a paper towel experiment with color. All you need is just 4 paper towels, some cups, some food coloring, and some water. First, we fold paper towels into quarters. We fold it like this. 1, fold it in half first, then fold it into another. Fold it for 4 paper towels. Next, it's easy. Just fold, push. Now we add the water. We add the water just about the paper towel. That's enough. See? It's just about the paper towel. Now they're all equal sizes. Now we'll add food coloring. We'll add 10 drops into it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 drops of green into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now add pink, light pink, and green together. Let's see what will happen. Add 8 drops of green and 4 drops of light red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now close the cap so you don't want to spill it. Whoops, Gordon. Now we add 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops. Now this is orange. This is purple. This is red, this is green, and this is blue. Let's see what will happen next. Hours passed. Let's see what it looks like. Wow! It looks very beautiful, right, Gordon? Very Gordon, do you want to see? The orange and purple makes a rainbow. Green, orange, yellow, purple. Purple and red mixed light purple. Red and green equals a light orange. Wow, it's quite beautiful. And the blue and green makes so a beautiful light green. Isn't that fun, kids? Very fun, right? Wow. Let me put them on a plate. First, put them lift the paper towel slowly up. There. Now, put it like this. Four paper towels. Okay, now let's see what if we mix the colors together. Red and purple. Blue. Perfect. Add blue to red. I'll help you so you don't spill. Add it. What's that color, Gordon? Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.